Welcome to Jumbo Quiz. Today, we have amazing VIP choices for you. Would you rather design your VIP dream mansion with epic fun choices? But before we dive in, like this video and hit the subscribe button for more fun challenges. Ready? Let's get started. First choice. Which dream house is totally yours? Next up, the relax zone. Which massage chair feels the comfiest? Now, the entrance. Which door do you like the most? Sleepover time. Which bedroom looks the most exciting? Splash time. What kind of water park would you build? This one is silly. Which toilet would you show off to your friends? Step up. Which sneakers would you rock today? Bedtime battle. What bunk bed gets your top spot? Set the mood. Which bedroom lamp would you choose? Here's a tricky one. You can only choose one gift. Make your choice. Unlimited money, unlimited love, or unlimited blessing. What you get, comment down below. Quick choice. Which toilet paper holder sneaks into your wall? Movie night alert. Which TV setup feels like yours? Next level. Which gaming chair powers your next victory? Cozy vibes. Which living room would you chill in? Bath time. Which tub would you soak in forever? For pet lovers. Which house would your pet live in? Grab the fruit sofa that looks the comfiest. Which inflatable pool are you jumping into? Memory challenge. Look closely at the cars. Where is the red car hiding? You found it. The red car was under number 5. Pick the surfboard that you would zoom on first. Which dining table makes you feel fancy? Adventure call. Who is your dream home partner? Food lovers, which kitchen is cooking your best meal? Bookworms, which home library would you fill with stories? Mirror, mirror. Which design looks magical? Snack time. Which air fryer would you pick for quick snack? Which creative bed is your favorite? Pick one. Shower vibes. Which shower feels refreshing? Which flower bouquet makes you smile? Yum! Which meal would you eat first? Cozy night. Which fireplace warms your heart? Quick challenge. Like this video, comment your name and birthday, and hit the subscribe button for more challenges. Ready, set, drive. What dream car are you taking? Pick the sink that belongs in your dream home. Which slippers slip onto your feet? Garden glow. Which space makes you happy? Mail time. Which mailbox gets your letters? Which fence keeps your dream house safe? Secret exit. Which back door do you run through? Which staircase would you climb every day? Time to pick your carpet. Which one you want? Mario fans, can you place Mario in a right spot so he could enjoy dancing with Princess Peach? How many tries did it take? Comment your answer. Time to pick a roof. Which rooftop makes your house shine? Now pick your flooring design. What is your choice? Window view. Which one makes the outside magical? Sunset vibes. Which balcony are you chilling on? Book lovers. Which bookshelf do you want at home? Which clock runs your mansion? Sparkle time. What chandelier lights your room? What wall color screams you? Blue, pink, or green? Fish fans. Which aquarium would you want at home? Gaming lovers. Pick your gaming room, where you play games all the day. Which watch would you wear every day? Movie night. Which home theater is yours? Closet goals. Which closet holds your outfits? Final choice. Which home office do you like the best? That was amazing VIP Dream Mansion adventure. You crushed it. But hey, why stop now? Your next adventure is just a click away. Tap on the next video on your screen and let's keep the fun going. See you there.